Hi, I'm very excited to have you here on this video, watching this video. My name is Kibiniro. Welcome. Actually, I wanted to talk to you about a few things. I'm sure you're here because of really. I don't need to explain really the reason why you're here, but I think you yourself you can realize that nothing actually happens without a specific reason behind it. Everything happens for a reason. Even you watching this video, you're actually watching it for a specific reason, and it will come clear to you later on. Maybe you may have to come back and watch the video again, or maybe you will know exactly after while watching or after watching this video. But we're all students of life, and I've been studying quite a bit the past few months actually. I started online marketing 4 or 5 months ago. Things were a bit difficult for me because it was something quite new for me, but then I quickly learned a lot of stuff, and I'm here to share with you some of the things that I've learned so far. To be able to succeed, one thing that I've really realized is that first of all, you have to believe that you can succeed. If you don't have that belief, definitely it's going to be difficult for you, because you're going to be frustrated, you're going to be unhappy and things like this, and this leads only to failure actually. So you need to love what you are doing to begin with, because if you don't love it, you won't have the motivation to continue doing it, and therefore you will definitely fail. But another thing that's more important is that success follows a particular formula. Just as there is some laws that we can see, some physical laws that we can actually see and physically see, like the law of gravity, how it works. So everything follows actually a certain formula. There is nothing that just happen spontaneously without any mathematics or physics behind it. And I've been watching people who are really making the big money online, the top network marketers. And there is something all of these people really do. They follow a particular system. This system involves a lot of knowledge gathering, and most importantly, it has to do with the way you set yourself up, your mentality. You need to be doing certain things consistently, and this somehow reprograms your mindset, so that you connect with what you were doing on a energy level basis, and from there you are able to attract success into your business. So we've got a system in place, and another thing that's very difficult, especially when you start this online, is to find the right people to connect with. Really, it becomes very difficult, because sometimes you need somebody who will be there for you, who is going to tell you, let's do this. Especially when you are two people doing something together, it becomes more easier. There is some science behind it as well. All the things we will cover definitely when you get on my list, because I'm studying all the things, and I've come to learn a lot of things about how things work, how success is actually made. So you need to be in a company of people who will encourage you and bring you up. And the problem that we have, most of us, is that our friends definitely don't believe that you can make money online or whatever. They think there's scams or whatever. I know some people, it's difficult for them to actually release their credit cards to make any payment on online. There are actually some people who don't even have online banking, which is a service that's been there for a very long time, because they fear, they don't trust, they have that distrust in the system. While some people, it's okay to fear some of the things, but in most cases the things that limits our possibilities. So we've got a system in place here at Empower Network. This is the website. If you are able to see my the screen here, this is my personal website. It's empowernetworkgroup.co.uk. when you come here and visit, there's a lot of knowledge here for you, and I have a special recording here, 63 minutes recording, which is going to help you in your business. Definitely this is something you need to listen to. Just get on the website and click play. But most importantly is when you get onto the website, put in your name and your email and your phone number, and this will direct you to the system which I want you to be involved in, because you need something that will back you up, that will help you in your business. And this is what the company has put in place for you. This will definitely help you to get the momentum that you need, and the level of belief that you need for your business to succeed. So go ahead. There's a link below here which will take you direct to the website, or you can just write it off from the screen. If you can, type it off from the screen. If you can, go and visit the website. I'll see you on my mailing list. Most importantly, I'll see you on my back office, on my team. So I'm looking forward to see you. Very, very exciting time.